Hi, this is Jack from Stafford Audi, and today I'd like to present to you this approved-used Audi E-Tron GT Vorsprung Quattro. Now this particular example is finished in the Glacier white metallic paintwork, which is an optional extra and does really give this vehicle that standout road appearance. Now looking at some of the key features, and with this being the Vorsprung specification, it does mean the gloss black elements are apparent throughout the vehicle, such as the window surrounds, rear diffuser and front grille. As well as this, you do get the panoramic glass roof, which does also break up the roof and make it a lovely contrast against the white. Moving towards the front now, we find these fantastic digital LED matrix headlights, which are perfect for visibility in every weather condition. Moving towards the side of the GT now, there is the rear privacy glass, which does also keep the rear occupants in view and again continues the black and white theme. Moving into the boot space now of the E-Tron GT, where we find up to 405 litres of storage space, which is a large amount for a vehicle of this size. It can easily accommodate one larger suitcase, as well as a few additional shopping bags, and makes for an easy place to store the charging cables. Moving into the rear seats now, we find a full quilted nap leather interior with the iconic honeycomb leather in the centre. There is also a leather centre armrest, which is fold down to present two useful cup holders, as well as it being rear climate control with heated seats also available for those rear passengers. Moving into the front now, we find a very well designed and luxurious cabin with a large amount of plush materials such as Napa leather, Dynamica Alcantara and carbon fibre. With this being the Vorsprung, it does mean you get the panoramic roof just above, which is let in the natural light. As well as this, the GT does have these fantastic seats trimmed in the Napa leather with the black stitch. Above now, we find a virtual cockpit, which is featured with two digital rev counters. It does also allow access to important vehicle data and telephone connectivity. To the centre of the dashboard now, we find this impressive MMI touchscreen display, which does feature the satellite navigation and allows usage of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving just below this now, we find the equally impressive digitalised dual zone climate control, which is very easily adjustable, and there are heated seat functionalities either side of this for both front passengers. To the screen above once again now, we find the 360 cameras, which does make the vehicle much easier to park, especially in the tighter spaces. So thank you for watching this video of the approved use Audi E-Tron GT Vorsprung, which is now available at Stafford Audi.